You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This type of knife, or knives, stick knives, originally from France. It's also a town in France. The knives were named after. Laguiole is generally how it's said in French, even though there are different pronunciations for it, even in France. Laguiole, laguiole knife. Some say it as laguiole as well. Laguiole or laguiole. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.